Ever wondered what goes into that tube of toothpaste you squeeze every morning? You're about to discover the fascinating world behind one of the most essential products in your daily routine. From ancient remedies to modern manufacturing marvels, we're taking you inside the factory to see exactly how millions of tubes are made every single day. Trust me, by this video, you'll never look at your toothpaste the same way again. Surprising history of toothpaste. Before we dive into the modern factory process, let's take a quick trip back in time. You might be shocked to learn what people used to clean their teeth with. Ancient Egyptians mixed green lead with malachite and incense. Imagine brushing your teeth with that. The Chinese ground up fish bones for dental care, while people in the Middle Ages used sand and pumice. Ouch! Western cultures even experimented with strong acids and table salt. The real game changer came in the mid-1800s when Dr. Washington Wentworth Sheffield, a dental surgeon and chemist, introduced the first modern toothpaste. Around the same time, companies began selling toothpaste in glass jars. But here's where it gets interesting. The collapsible tube we know today was inspired by paint tubes from Paris. By 1869, the first collapsible tube toothpaste hit the market, revolutionizing oral care forever. What's actually in your toothpaste? Now, thankfully, we've moved way past ground fish bones and acids. Modern toothpaste is a carefully crafted blend of ingredients that work together to keep your mouth healthy. Let me break down what's really in that tube. Fluoride is the star of the show. It's nature's cavity fighter, strengthening your enamel and preventing decay. The American Dental Association backs this up as both safe and effective. Make up about 8 to 20% of the formula. These are what polish your teeth and scrub away stubborn plaque, keeping your smile bright and clean. Create satisfying foam when you brush. They help distribute all the other ingredients evenly across your teeth and give you that clean feeling. And sweeteners, because let's face it, nobody wants to brush with something that tastes terrible. These create those minty fresh flavors we love without causing cavities. Humectants like glycerin keep the paste smooth and prevent it from drying out in the tube. That's why your toothpaste has the same consistency from the first squeeze to the last. Inside the factory, the amazing production process. Now for the really cool part, let's see how all these ingredients come together in a massive factory operation. Raw material. Starts quality control. Raw materials arrive at the factory and undergo thorough inspections before being stored in massive silos. Every single ingredient is tracked with barcodes, ensuring complete traceability throughout the entire process. Mixing magic. Here's where the science happens. Ingredients are mixed in huge stainless steel tanks, starting with liquids like water and glycerin, then adding dry ingredients like abrasives and fluoride. These mixers use high-speed rotations to create powerful suction, ensuring everything blends perfectly. Temperature and humidity are constantly monitored because precision is everything here. A typical batch makes about 10,000 tubes. That's a lot of morning routines covered. Filling. Before any toothpaste touches a tube, each tube is meticulously cleaned using blowing and vacuuming to remove even the tiniest particles. The top gets sealed first, leaving the bottom open for filling. Now here's something that'll blow your mind. Ever wonder how those colorful stripes get in there? For different colored batches are prepared separately and kept apart until they meet at the tube. Special machines with different nozzles for each color dispense them simultaneously, creating those perfect stripes we all recognize. After filling, the bottom gets sealed using heat crimping or special adhesives, creating an airtight, leak-proof package that keeps the product fresh throughout its entire shelf life. Sealed tubes move to labeling machines that apply all the product information, brand name, ingredients, usage instructions, and production dates. These labels have to be perfectly aligned because presentation matters. The tubes are then packed into retail boxes, which go into larger shipping cartons. Each carton gets sealed and labeled with quantity, product type, and destination information. Before anything leaves the factory, there's a final quality check. Any product that doesn't meet the strict standards gets discarded or recycled, no exceptions. Production numbers. Give some statistics that'll absolutely amaze you. Every year, over 20 billion tubes of toothpaste are produced globally. In the US alone, that's more than 14 million gallons of toothpaste annually, enough to fill about 175,000 bathtubs. Think about that for a second. That's an incredible amount of production happening every single day just to keep our teeth clean. Environmental innovation. Here's something really important that most people don't know about. Traditional toothpaste tubes used to be made from a mix of materials like plastic and aluminum, making them nearly impossible to recycle. With 20 billion tubes produced annually, that's a massive environmental problem. The industry has responded with innovative solutions. Many manufacturers now use high-density polyethylene, HDPE, the same plastic used for milk jugs. The challenge was making it squeezable enough for toothpaste while maintaining recycling standards. Engineers solved this by combining different types and thicknesses of HDPE sheets, creating tubes that meet recycling standards, protect the product, support high-speed production, and are still easy to squeeze. It's brilliant engineering that benefits both consumers and the environment. There you have it, the incredible journey from ancient fishbone paste to modern manufacturing marvels. The next time you squeeze that tube in the morning, you'll know exactly what went into creating it and the amazing technology behind something we completely take for granted. What surprised you most about the toothpaste manufacturing process? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this as fascinating as I did, smash that like button and subscribe to HowToHub for more incredible behind-the-scenes looks at how everyday products are made. We've got tons more factory tours and manufacturing mysteries coming your way. Hey, if there's a specific product you're curious about, let me know in the comments. Your suggestion might be our next deep dive. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.